trend lines are one of the most powerful tools in trading. But the problem is, most traders are still using them completely wrong. The most confusing part about trading trend lines is that every trader seems to draw them differently. Take this chart for example. Some traders might prefer to draw the trend line connecting the wicks of the candles, while others might prefer to draw it connecting the bodies of the candles. So, which one is correct? Now, even if we've figured out how to draw them, the next big question is, how do we actually trade them? Should we wait for the price to touch the trend line and enter buy, anticipating a bounce? Or should we wait for the price to break the trend line, anticipating a trend reversal to short it? The truth is, I've tried all of these approaches. But throughout my trading career, I've discovered the best way to trade trend lines, which to this day have made me a lot of profit. So in this video, I'll reveal the best strategy. But keep in mind, the examples I showed you are just ideal scenarios. In real trading, we can't just blindly enter a trade every time price touches or breaks a trend line, because these patterns rarely work by themselves. We need to combine other concepts, such as price action, to increase our chances of getting successful trades, which we'll get into later in the video. Now, before we start trading with trend lines, we first need to know how to actually draw them properly, because if you get this wrong, the strategies won't work anyway. So, here's an in-depth guide on how I draw trend lines. To draw a trend line,